Hey traders, Brian here with A+ Setups, home of the JW Jiggle, reverse mullet, and pocket setups. It's a place where research and stats meet intraday trading, where we focus on the three pillars: the trading model, money management, and leverage, and specialize in trading NQ futures. Today is May 6th, 2025, and today's video is just going to be a very short session demonstrating how we closed out the day with some of our setups. We went 4 for 4 in the afternoon session with each of our different setups coming into play. So we're going to take you through that very quickly just to show you some of the things we're working on. Before we get started, please read the disclaimer. And here's some of our little friends that we use to get our money for the day: the JW, the Jiggle, the reverse mullet, and the pocket. And we have statistical studies on each of these setups. The setups are very easy to see, recognize, and they're very precise rules for entry. You know exactly where you're going to enter each of these setups. There's no guessing, there's no gray area. The rules are very well spelled out. And the pocket and reverse mullet are two of my best setups from a percentage standpoint. I have several thousand, probably north of almost 4,000 setups for both of those combined from this year, from January 2nd until last week, May 2nd. And both of those are slightly above 80% accurate. I got full stats inside of our Discord room. I won't go into those. I'll just tell you that those are the backbone of our trading strategies inside of our Discord room, where we live stream every day. So what I'd like to do now is just show you, take you to the afternoon session. And what we have is 3 trades that we want to highlight for today. So again, today's May 6th, 2025, and here are 3 trades: the EMA bounce, the first pocket, reverse mullet, and another first pocket. 4 for 4 scalps in the afternoon session. We're primarily scalpers, so we're going after a set number of ticks, and I'll go into that in just a second. Now you'll notice one of the setups here I didn't have in my previous slide. If you remember, if you go back to that slide, you'll see that in the bottom right corner I have a little legend down there that states that coming soon I'm going to have stats on 2 new high probability of success studies. Well, this is one of them, the bounce off of the EMA 108. So you can see here we hit, we bounced, we got our, we took our profit right there. So what happened? Right, it looks like there's an entry. There's an entry right here. There's an entry and an exit because of the way my ATM populated the chart right there. So trade number 1, we pulled 24 ticks, $120 minus $5 in commission, so it's $115. Second trade, again, very precise rules on entry, very clean, very easy to see. The next trade is what I call the pocket trade, the first pocket, and that's a pocket that's created by this profile here. While this algorithm is green. So we missed the entry there. It skipped right over our entry and jumped through it. So I went ahead and kept the buy stop there, and it trickled down, put us in on a buy limit, and then shot right back up. You know, it shows us exiting here, but we actually exited on this bar right there as it popped up. So that was another 24 ticks. You know, $115 after commissions. Then we get the reverse mullet. The reverse mullet is something I discovered by accident. and it has everything to do with the channel system I have here. And anyway, we followed this. We got an entry, very precise, got in on the close of that bar there, and we took four 24 ticks out right there as well. Final trade that we took in the afternoon was the first pocket bearish trade. Again, very precise on the entry. You see the pocket that formed there, and we came out with 24 ticks. So this was a really good demonstration in the afternoon session from 3:25 p.m. Eastern Time until when did we close out? 3:55. So 30 minutes, and we had 4 successful trades in a row. Now this afternoon session was in a simulated account. I had some new members in the room, and we were doing an orientation. I always conduct an afternoon session. I give a quick lesson, and then we do some trading to demonstrate our setups. Now most of us in the room in the afternoon session were already finished in the morning with our funded accounts, personal accounts, and eval accounts. So the afternoon session, I very seldom trade real accounts because it's more of a demonstration, a teaching session, a coaching session to get everyone up to snuff. So I'm taking every trade I see for every setup. So this is just some of the trading we do in our room. This is a good demonstration of 3 high probability of success setups. I have 2 others, and I can tell you a couple of these 2 trades right here, the pocket and the reverse mullets, have really turned my trading around in the last 3 months. Consistency's gone through the roof. Profitability, I'm a scalper, so I'm only shooting, my target is to make $200 to $300 a day per account. I am perfectly happy with that. I'm not a trader that aspires to be the guy making $5,000 to $10,000 a day trading. That's a different level right there, but I do want to be consistent forever. So if that kind of stuff if it interests you, come check us out. Links will be in the description below, and I think you'll find that everything that we have, I use statistics to back up everything. It's the backbone of all of our setups, and I collect everything by hand. There's no computer programs. I'm a scalper. I have to be very precise. I have to know that the data is accurate, and I have to internalize our setups so that I know all the nuances. For me, specializing in the nuances is extremely, extremely important. So again, I want to thank you for taking the time to check us out, watch this video. If this looks interesting to you, then by all means come by and check us out. We'd love to have you in the room. This is Brian signing off, and as always, good luck in your trading.